Merry Christmas, everyone! For this year's Christmas party, we did staycation at Montebello. We checked in around 2 p.m. It was quite early, so nag-prepare sa mi. Ganahan yung picture-picture because Montebello gives a very cottagecore vibe. Pero at this point, gutom na kay sa tanan. So we decided to go out kay we all know nga medyo mahal ang pagkaon sa hotel. So we decided to look for an affordable place to eat outside. If you don't know yet, Montebello is the only resort hotel in Cebu City, and it's right in the middle of Cebu City. Actually, sa likod lang na siya sa Gaisano Country Mall. A lot of people don't know it. Siguro medyo hilom siya. Mingaw kayo siya, miskan December na karon. And so, kay duol man kayo siya sa mall, there's a lot of restaurants around the area. We actually went to the Pearl Meat Shop, and this is only 450 pesos per head. And this includes pork and beef. Tapos napod sila lang side dish. Narito. Kana siya. But mostly self-serve na sila. Actually, wala ganun mikita kaayo og mga waiter kay self-service ni sila nga area. Mao nila mga pagkaon. I think it's not bad for a 450 pesos na unlimited samgyupsal o beef. Nabusog na sa jud ka. Okay, they have lettuce and wrap. They also have kimchi rice, the regular rice, fruits. Because this video is about maximizing your budget, we actually only spent 2,000 pesos per head para sa among accommodation ug apil na ning among gigasto sa among gipang samgyupsal, which is 450 pesos. I think the key is really under the planning, because Montebello right now have a promo which is 3,299 per head plus 1,200 per extra person. Nakapit mi ani sa grocery kay unya mag-Monopoly night mi palit sa mi og snacks. Okay, kay nag-picture mi sa ilahang pool. Montebello have two pool. This one is the kiddie pool. Nindot pa jud kaayo kay ang ilahang pool area is open up until 10 p.m. So, pwede jud kayo mag-night swimming. They also have a big pool right after this restaurant. Kana siya na event. Kani sila ang restaurant. This is where the breakfast buffet tomorrow will be served. So this is where the very famous bridge is located. Ang Montebello no, mura jud siya balay sa imuhang kinadatuan nga auntie nga daghan kag buwak. Kung nabuhi pang imuhang mga aunties katiguangan nga sigig tanom og mga buwak sa balay, mura tanan sila na converge ani. So it's very pretty at night because of all the lights. Medyo ning ambon ni siya nga time, so medyo lapok jud siya. Pero wa jud may pakialam kay picture is life. What I noticed is that in Montebello, the perfect time to take picture is during the morning. Kay mas bright ang area, mas prominent ang mga colors of flowers. But if it's nighttime, look at how beautiful the Christmas tree decorations are and the surrounding lights. Grabe, mura jud kami adto sa balay sa imong auntie na kinadatoan sa inyong pamilya. It's really pretty. And since hapit naman mag alas 10, so we decided to take a dip sa pool before me magduwa og Monopoly. Nagbaon ko og Monopoly nga board game kay wa pa man sila kasaway og Monopoly nga board game para mao ni siya ang among kuan activity before we end the night. Pero ani gipangkapoy na dai mi tanan. So right after na mo nagsamgyupsal, nagpalit mi og pagkaon for snacks. Ako na siyang gi-prepare ng snacks para sa among Monopoly board game. This was a gift to myself a couple of years back. Katong addict pa jud kayo ko Game of Thrones. And I let them play the board game. Nagduwa ko na rin yung mga beauty sa gabi. Abi na ako doon sa ganahan. What I'm glad it. I also believe in this. I got it from TikTok and I think they like it. Perfume na siya. Nga pa ako kabaw kung sa humot. Pero ingon sila ganahan daw sila. Okay, good morning. I think it's 6 a.m. One of my most favorite things to do is to eat the breakfast buffet in all the hotel I stay. But malingkod sa ta, and I appreciate nato ang kahilom sa Montebello. So this is how it looks at 6:30 a.m. Nag-una-una na akong bana pagkaon. Hindot kayo siya pwesto kay it's right in front of the pool. So this is what he got, and he's so lucky he went to the perfect spot. And this is the restaurant. It is not that big, but it's so classy. This is the bread station with the different jams and butter. This is how it looks without the people around. And this is us finally awake. Actually, nahuman ako gaon. So, nag-video na lang ko. Mga katolo siguro ko na balik. And this is the part where we decided to just stroll around. And actually, samo kami magstorya. We decided to just stroll around. I think I'm the only one who have my phone with me. But we enjoyed talking. Nowadays, si Christy, nowadays siya phone. But we did enjoy talking and just identifying the names of the plants, names of the trees, and just taking picture. Having the sun out, nani siya ang isa sa mga likod sa ilang hotel or mga rooms. Ana ang part kay murag renovate. Green kayo ang sa likod kay na sila bao. You have reached the end of our video. Salamat kayo sa inyong pag-uban kay pukawon sa namon ning amuang anak.